Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So about 5 months ago, a fellow gave me a call from where? Connecticut. From Connecticut. There's so many deals going on. Anyway, he had this in his garage, and in about the 1920s, his father was a young man, and he was going down an alley back there, and this was sitting out in the alley discarded. So his father asked the guy if he could have it. He said, "Get that thing out of here." So his father took it home to their home, as it sat there for 30 or 40 years, and then he had contacted me and asked me if I wanted to buy it. I said, of course. So I bought it from the man, and we had it shipped out here, blanket wrapped. We took it completely apart as always. It's got brand new wiring in it, brand new sockets, brand new mounts, and this glass, this red and white glass, is not leaded glass, but these are cast in here in the aluminum parts. So every one of these glass pieces had to be cut and individually put in there, which we did, and it just absolutely came out beautiful. This is a cast iron pole. I'm figuring this from around the late 18 to early 1900s. Prior to that, they were wood poles, which were like 4x4s and 4x8x8s that they carved and painted. So when electricity came out, this was one of the very first poles that they made to be hooked up to electricity. We did it in its original colors. I've seen very few of these, but these were usually high polished, which I thought cheapened the look. It came from the factory in black. We had a beautiful globe done, hand painted haircuts, shaves, 25 cents, and we thought this was super cool. Barber shop and bath, entrance downstairs with the hands. So if this sat, you know, straight out from the wall, if you walked up to it, it would say entrance downstairs. And if you walked up to it this way, it would say entrance downstairs. Everything is hand painted. It's just absolutely beautiful. So Jeff was running around doing a little teaser, right? You see our little teasers. And one of our good customers, Scott, out of Chicago, which is an attorney, saw it, contacted us immediately and said how much, and he bought it. We never even got to list this. This happens a lot of the times. A lot of guys will wait a little bit and then their piece gets away and they say it happened to me again. Just absolutely beautiful. This is a beautiful original pole, all cast iron. This is like the number 1 or 2 pole ever made. This is it. This is the coup de grace. Congratulations to Scott, and he's going to love this. He's a very good customer of ours, and we really do appreciate his business. Anyway, we wanted to show it to you, even though it got away in 5 minutes. Anyway, thanks for watching our videos.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.